Fred with Fred's Auto Repair, and I was on Facebook Marketplace again, and I picked up something pretty cool. So let's check it out. I have got in my possession probably the cheapest Cub Cadet Lo Boy on the market. But anyways, so why this thing was parked is it stripped the drive shaft on it. See, there's drive shafts out of it, where it runs from the motor to the transmission. So, but it came with a bunch of parts here. See, there's the drive shaft. It stripped it clean off right there. But I'll pick up another used one. But I got all the parts for it, plus a brand new carburetor, and all that, and a pair of new tires. But let's see if we can't get this thing fired off for the first time in how many years. So stay tuned. Okay, as much as I would like to just throw a hot battery in here and see if this thing spins over, I have got to tackle some wiring here. I can't do that because it would probably ignite itself. But anyways, well, I'll get back with you when I figure out all this mess and get it tackled. So stay tuned. Okay, I've got this thing wired in just enough to where we can turn over and we've got spark. So anyways, well, I'm going to shoot a little brake cleaner down the carburetor, and we'll see if this thing will fire to life. Get our intake breather tube out here. And there's no dry shaft in the tractor, so we don't have to worry about any, whether it's in gear or anything. Let's give it a little shot in there. We get that little bit of wasp nest or something out of the intake there. Okay. Shoot it down again. Okay. Get my starter button out of here. Oh yeah. There we go. Energized our throttle cable right there. So we'll let that cool down, make sure it don't catch on fire. But it fired off. So I call that a win. Okay, we're ready to try starting this little girl again. Got a new carburetor thrown on and a new gasket for a sediment filter. So let's see. I'll probably want to give her a little something just to get started on. Okay, give her a little whiff. Anyways, well, I'm going to call this video end, and I will catch you all in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.